Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your free country in Proton VPN on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Proton VPN app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. If you are already connected to a free server, tap disconnect. You need to be disconnected before you can switch countries. Once disconnected, scroll through the list of servers. Free servers usually have a free label. You will see countries like United States, Netherlands, and Japan depending on availability. Tap on the country you want to use. Make sure it's labeled as free. For example, tap Netherlands free if you want a Dutch IP address. After selecting the country, tap connect. Your iPhone may ask for permissions to add VPN configuration. Tap allow. Wait a few seconds until the app shows connected. You will also see the VPN icon at the top of your screen. Now your internet traffic is routed to the free server you choose. You can check your IP location by opening a browser and searching what's my IP. And that's it. You have successfully changed your free country in VPN on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.